Hey guys, it's Young Wealth. Now today I want to talk about LCS. I really want to pinpoint like how high this can really go, because like I've really had a mind shift. Like I don't know if you guys have noticed in my previous videos, my latest videos, right? I really came to the point where like I realized like crypto is possibly gonna be a real world asset. Well, it's gonna be like an asset you can compare to the stocks and gold and precious metals and stuff like that. And I know once that happens, it's like a lot of these coins like LCX, they're gonna be like in the 50s and 60s, $60 region, possibly like $100 one day. And I'm just realizing that if crypto is here to stay, then we have to start thinking a lot more further than the eyes can see. Okay, we need to think a lot further across the horizon, because at the end of the day, like when you look at crypto, when you look at LCX and these other coins, right, if they are here to stay, then we can it's safe to say that this is just the beginning. Like this price point now is literally just the beginning. The only reason why a lot of people think, oh yeah, LCX won't go to $100 is because they think that there will be no more bull runs after 2025. Repeat, they think that there will be no more bull runs after 2025, and that is false. In my humble opinion, like crypto will continue to thrive and survive, like just like the stock market. Like especially when the economy starts to actually improve and stuff like that, crypto will thrive and survive. So it will become like a real world asset, and people will start to take it a lot more seriously, especially when regulations comes. Like that'll make the institutional investor a lot more confident on crypto when there's regulations and stuff like that. So at the end of the day, that's the waiting game, because when we talk about LCX, we know that it's the only regulated exchange. So at the end of the day, once we know that it's regulated in the whole country, we can both agree that this coin is going to actually catapult. When coins need regulations to actually survive, this coin is going to catapult to the upside before any other coin, because it's already regulated. Now when it comes to SEC, the SEC cannot really do anything to them because they are working in Liechtenstein. They are not working in the USA, so they cannot really sue them or file a lawsuit on them, if you ask me, even though they said they're security, which I don't believe in anyway. Like I don't take it seriously, because I know in the long term LCS is gonna be one of those coins that go past $20, go past $40, go past $50. I just know it. Like just look at what Binance did. People thought Binance was gonna stop at $20. It didn't stop at $20. It can continue to actually go up and up. But when you look at LCX's circulating supply, it's only 771 million. Repeat, it's only 771 million. So what does this mean? It means that for price points to actually go to, let's say $1, for instance, it only needs to hit a 771 million market cap. For it to go to $10, it only needs a $7 billion market cap. So when we're talking about a coin that's going to be involved in tokenization, and it's going to be involved in also a blockchain bank, we can actually think about long term on how much of an effect it's going to actually have on the price point. When you ask me, I feel like the price point at LCX will be actually in the double digits when we have all of these things on the LCX vision paper accomplished, because they have a lot of things on the roadmap they are going to accomplish. So time will tell when it comes to these things, but I do believe like crypto and LCX, they're both here to stay. They're both here to stay. And to be honest with you guys, like as time goes by and more people that adopt it, there'll be more businesses that are more open-minded to cryptocurrency, because they're going to realize like, okay, this is a cheaper and more efficient way to use digital currency. It's a cheaper and more efficient way to use currency in general. And some of the utilities they have, it actually is more efficient than what we use in the world today. So when it comes to tokenization, it's going to make it more efficient to buy assets, especially because we are tokenizing real world assets. Like it's going to make it a lot more efficient to actually have ownership over assets and stuff like that. So at the end of the day, I just believe in LCS, and I believe that over time we're going to see this grow a lot more than what it is today. That's why I have no issue buying at 28 cents. I have no issue people buying at 28 cents, because I realize this coin's going to go a lot higher than even just $2. Like in the long term, this is only for people that believe in LCX over past 2025, because a lot of people, they don't believe in LCX past 2025. Majority of people think, not majority, but a lot of people think that crypto is going to end in 2025 or 2030. They don't think crypto can survive another 20 years. In my humble opinion, we are just getting started with the markets, and it's a 50-50 chance whether the markets actually prevail or they fail. But I do believe that they're going to actually prevail. There's something telling me that when it comes to how much utility this market holds and how much technology this market has, it's like this cannot go dismissed. Like the government could actually use this technology and actually make the real world more efficient than what it is already. So at the end of the day, I just believe in crypto in the long term. So once I believe in crypto in the long term, what do? I look at coins that can last in the long term, also coins that have serious businesses behind them, and LCX is one of those winners. So I decided to make this video saying LCX is holding up stronger than a bridge, like it's holding up longer than a bridge. Like LCX is still like only 9 cents away from all-time highs. So look at this 1 year graph. It's not really decreased in value at all, right? It's not really decreased in value at all. Like it had like a little spike to 37 cents. Now it's 28 cents. So it's like a 9 cent range down, which is not the worst, okay? If you ask me, especially how much Bitcoin cooled down and how much crypto cooled down in general, it's really not the worst, because at the end of the day, it could have been a lot more of a dip. I've seen coins dip a lot more than what LCX did. It's still up 417% in the past year. So I'm very happy with LCX, and I will continue to accumulate more LCX until this last paycheck, then I'm done. But at the end of the day, like I'm in a mind frame where I'm thinking of 2035. I'm thinking of 2040. If crypto's still around in 2040, you know how rich we can possibly be. But I just believe it will be around in 2040, and I believe that crypto will be here to stay, and I believe that crypto will actually have its place in the real world as a financial instrument. And more than just a financial instrument, a means of functionality in the system, a means of utility in the system. So at the end of the day, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was Young Wealth signing out with another one. If you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Also turn on post notification bell, and also if you guys want to be part of the Discord group chat, just join the Patreon. Link is in the description. With that being said, it was Young Wealth, and I'm signing out with another video. Peace.